Seamless coverage. Designed to be used just about anywhere, it's easy to apply your makeup to wide areas and close-up details. Reduces makeup waste. The unique hydrophilic material is designed to minimize makeup absorption and waste, so you get the most out of every foundation, highlighter, illuminator, or any other product you use. Effortless application. This makeup sponge allows for easy application for any foundation, highlighter, or other makeup. Blend your favorite colors and watch them glide on with ease. Maximum coverage. The flat or rounded bottom can be used for smooth and even application on wider areas, while the fine tip helps to reach finer details. Cruelty-free and vegan. Wet n Wild makeup products are never tested on animals and are always cruelty-free. Top reviews from the United States. Good blending sponge. This is a blending sponge that works well for large makeup application. People who are skilled at using these for more detail will find this one just as useful as others. I am not terribly skilled with these, but I love the even application they give, so I used this one for broad application, and it works well.